Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how to use the Bootstrap inside the React. We're gonna import from the node modules. We're not gonna use any CDN, and I'm gonna show you the different way as I usually use the jQuery. Usually I import from a CDN, and in this video I will show you how to import from the node modules. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to implement the FontAwsome icons. We're gonna use react-fontawsome. It's a different way, not like usually used in HTML projects, you know. So alright, so I will show you a little bit how to add the style, how to add the logo, how to make the navigation bar fixed to the top if you like it. Okay, so let's start. Let me close this completed project and let me create a new folder in here. I'm gonna name it React Bootstrap Navbar. Alright, let me open the code editor. I use Visual Studio. And let me open the folder for the new project. It's in a desktop, this one. And let me close this up. To open the terminal, I use the hotkeys Control and backtick, or how it's called, tilde, or all right, and or you just can go to the view and I guess terminal, new terminal. It's gonna do the same thing. All right, and so let's create the React app boilerplate. To create it, I just create React app. Alright, space and period dot. Okay, and press enter. So usually if you create the folder in terminal, not inside the folder or something, you need to specify the name of the folder. But if you create inside the folder, you just space and period. Okay, dot. So it takes some time. Let's wait a little bit. Alright, so we create the boilerplate, and now let's delete some files. I don't need index.css, and I'm not gonna use this logo. I'm gonna use my logo. Alright, and let's open the public. Let's delete favicon and this PNGs. Alright, delete, and let's open index.html, and I'm gonna delete this link. I'm gonna delete this one. I don't need the meta, delete it. You can leave it, delete this one and some comments, and let's delete these comments and this and this. So usually when you use the CDN, you just paste the links in here before they're closing the body, but we're gonna import the jQuery from the node modules. I will show you in a couple minutes, guys. So for now we're done with the index.html. Let's import the dependencies, and of course before we import, let's check, guys, if we have no error. So in here in the index, I'm gonna delete the import link because we delete the file, and I'm gonna save and close it up. I don't gonna use it anymore, and open the app.js, and I'm gonna delete the import path for the logo. Okay, and in here we can clean a little bit, delete the header, and make empty. Use the React fragment. This, if you don't know, this is the React fragment empty container. All right, that's a shortcut for it. It's new feature. All right, so let me add the heading and hello from app component. I just want to see if this component is rendering. Okay, And let's start the server npm start, and it's gonna start on a localhost 300. It's gonna open automatically the browser. Okay, you can see it's in a 3000 always. React boilerplate use the 3000 port. Alright, we can see no error and the app component render correctly. Now let me split the terminal. Okay, and this side it's running my server, and in this side I gonna import or install the packages, and we need to npm it's a shortcut for install the Bootstrap. Okay, spelling right. Alright, we can see we installed correctly, no errors. Bootstrap 4.5.0 the version. Let's check in the package JSON. Okay, we can see we installed it. Alright, so now let's guys import. First I will show you how to import from Node.js the CSS. Bootstrap CSS. If we open Node modules, we need to find a folder Bootstrap. Let's check. Where is it? Bootstrap right here. Let's open. So the path gonna be Bootstrap, destination, and CSS. All right. Let's import. Import the Bootstrap destination folder, CSS, and bootstrap.min.css, as we're gonna use this file. All right. So let's save. Now let's see in the browser. It's changing, but to make sure, let's use the Bootstrap class name. It's gonna be the display and 4. Let me save and let's see now. Yeah, we can see the CSS works. And let's guys go to Bootstrap, Navbar, and let's open this link. And it's inside the components and navbar. All right, I'm gonna grab this one, so just copy all the code, all the markup, and let's create let's close it up for now, and let's create right here the directory components. Okay, and inside I'm gonna create the navbar.js. Of course, you can create just directly in a source. You may not create the components for it, but I usually I get used to it. Okay, and I'm gonna use the snippet RAWC. For those who don't know, this is a plugin. This guy you can install, and it's gonna make your development gonna help you develop faster. Okay, so to create the functional component, and press tab. So here's the functional component, and I'm gonna paste in here the copy the HTML markup, and GSX we need to specify the class attribute by the name. Okay, class name. All right, to just edit multiple, I use Ctrl-D and select Ctrl-D, Ctrl-D, and I'm gonna change all the classes to class name. All right, so class name with a capital N, name. All right, and we still can see the error because any input in JSX is supposed to finish with a /. All right, so now you can see it's no more error. Let's save. Now let's import to the app.js the navigation bar, Navbar. To do that, import, we can name whatever you like. You can name it Navbar container or whatever, give the name whatever you like, but I gonna name it Navbar from, and it's inside the components, and it's a Navbar. All right, and let me delete this heading, and I'm gonna add the component navbar / and I'm gonna class the component. Let me save and let's see. Let's open. Okay, we can see we just import the navigation bar and CSS working good, but drop down, if I click, it doesn't work as need to import the jQuery to our project. To do that, let's open terminal, and right here npm install jQuery. All right, let's press enter. All right, we installed the package 3.5.1, and now let's import, and let's close this up, the extensions, and let me show you where the jQuery, open node modules, let's go down here, find the Bootstrap right here. So it's in the same destination folder. Let's close this one. We need to open this one, and we're gonna import this. Okay, bootstrap.bundle, and it's supposed to load the jQuery. Import bootstrap.destination and JS and bootstrap.bundle. Okay, we don't need to specify .js because React already know this is a JavaScript file. Okay, let me see if it's gonna work. Let's open and let's try. Doesn't work. Oh, it's working. Okay. Alright, now we can see the JavaScript, the jQuery working good. So guys, let me show you how you can custom style your navigation bar. Let's open, let's close this node modules, let's close it up, open the app CSS, Ctrl-A. I'm gonna delete everything for now. Okay, let's add the bootstrap classes to change. For example, I wanted the dark, okay, dark navigation bar. So I type dark, okay, and background. I want to use dark as well, dark. Okay, let's save, let's see. Alright, we changed the background. Okay, now let's move the links on the center to make a little bit nicer. Looks nicer because we have on the right side the search bar, and to do that we need to find the links. It's in UL. Okay, you can see it's a margin right outer, but we need a fix and change to margin X, which mean on the left and right it's gonna be the outer. It's gonna make it's on the center. Let's see. Okay, we can see. All right, so let's delete disable because I don't like the disable. I'm not gonna use. Okay, let me save, and now let's rename this one to the for example about, and we're gonna add one more link. It's gonna contacts. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to use react-fontawsome. Okay, we're gonna install, we're gonna import, we're gonna add. Okay, good practice. Let's rename this about. Okay, let me copy this UL, and we're gonna add the contacts right here. Let's save. Let's rename actually this one contacts. Okay, let me save, let me check if everything works. Okay, good. So now let's guys add the FontAwesome, react-fontawsome icons. Let's do that. First of all, let's close this up. Let's open the FontAwesome. We need the main we need the start page. Let's go in here. All right, so start for free. I'm gonna start. All right, so if we go down here, you can see they create nice features for the Angular, Ember, Vue, React, Less as. We're gonna use the React, then we need to click right here. Okay, you can see two versions for React and for React Native. All right, we're gonna use the React, then we're gonna click on this GitHub link. Okay, and here's the documentation. I recommend you check out, guys, and you're gonna be expert in FontAwsome. Okay, React FontAwsome. So we need to install FontAwsome SVG core, free solid icons SVG, and React FontAwsome. We can just grab this line. Okay, let's copy. Okay, let's go to our terminal. Right here, let me clear, make visible better. Okay, and I just paste in here, so press enter. All right, so we install. Let's check package JSON. We can see we install, but we need to install more, and we need to install, guys, for the brands. It's let me just explain what's mean the brands and free regular SVG. The brands, guys, if we go back to the FontAwsome, that's guys very important, because I need icons, because sometimes get confusing, you know, if you're new to this, to the React FontAwsome. So the brands, for example, let's see what icon is this. Okay, this is a solid, free solid. Oh no, my apologies, guys. FAB, that's mean that it's a brand, but FAS, that's a free solid. Okay, if we go back, like we're gonna use the home. Let's find the home. For the home link, we can see, yeah, the solid, you know, solid. Let's click on this, and you can see FAS, that's a free solid. Okay, not the brand. For example, the Facebook, book, this is a brand. Okay, that's their brand, solid. For example, you can see FAB. Okay, just remember this, and that's actually no. I think this when you use the library, when you import, that's a different story, guys. I'm not gonna go deep. You can check the documentation. Here's they talk about they built a library, how to do, how import. Okay, so what we need right now. Let's continue. So. We need to install the free solid. Wait a minute. Okay, we installed this free solid SVG, and we need what else we need? Regular. We need the regular icon. So let's copy, because we're gonna use the regular. Okay, we're not gonna use the brand. Okay, let me paste in here. Press enter and wait for the installation. All right, and we can check and we can see. Okay, we installed it, regular SVG. All right, so let me see one more time to the documentation. Here's how they look the FontAwsome icon. Okay, we just create capital F, capital A, and I'm in camel case. Okay, and icon, and but we're not gonna use this way, because this usually for when you create the library you can use it, I guess. Okay, we're gonna use, let me show you guys really quick which component we're gonna use. Down here, and yes, we're gonna use this way in curly braces, and as the small c and camel case I and the name of the icon. So all right guys, so let's go to the navigation bar, and we need to bring, let me go back to the documentation. Let me find the import path. It's supposed to be right here. Okay, let's grab this line. All right, so let's go back to the navigation bar, navbar. Let's add, and now we need to import the icon. So to import the icon, let's see again how to import the icon. It's right here. So we need from free solid SVG icon. I guess, yeah. Why didn't I import the free regular? Alright, doesn't matter. Okay, let's grab this line, guys. Let's copy and let's paste right here. And we're gonna use the icon, the home, you remember? And let me open the home again. Home. Open this one. Okay, we're gonna use FA small, and without the dash, we're gonna use H the camel case home. All right. Okay, so let me delete this icons we're not gonna use. So FA and camel case home. Okay. All right, now we can use the icon home. Let me close the terminal, and right here let's bring the component. It's font awesome icon. Let me copy the name. All right, and right here let's add then to add the name of icon equal in the curly braces fa home. All right, and let's close this component. Let's save, and now we can check if it's working. Okay, reload, and we can see it showed up. The icons showed up. Let's make a space a little bit. I'm gonna use NBSP. Okay, let's save. All right, so now let's add for about and contact. Let's find the right one. Let's type about. All right, let's grab this one. And FA address card. All right, let's do. Let's first of all import. We can import in here. So FA camel case address card. Okay, and let me copy the name of the component, and let's add right here after the Control V icon, and the icon. Oh guys, my apologies guys. Right here it's the name of the icon, but right here we need to add the font awesome icon. All right, right here, and let's close this one and BSP. All right, okay, and let's see if it's working good. And for the context, let's type contact. Okay, contact, and let's grab I don't know, let's grab this address book and FA address book. All right, so right here let's just copy, let's paste in here, and instead the card, so we're gonna add the book. Okay, and let's copy this one, and let's add right here before contacts, and it's gonna be the book, and that's it. Let's check if it's working good. Okay. All right, so now let's style this guy. Let's style this drop down. Let's see. Let me open. Okay, and I wanna style this guy. It's drop down menu. Okay, drop down menu. Let's see, drop down menu. It's right. Where's drop down? And right here. All right, so let's style drop down menu. Let me copy. Okay, and we're gonna style in here in app.css. So I'm gonna add this guy, and let me add some background. Let me see the color. Let me get on this guy. Okay, let's let me use 344 and add right here, and of course I need add exclamation mark and important, because we're gonna override the Bootstrap style. It's very important. Add the important. Okay guys, so now let's see if it's work. Okay, it's worked. And now let's make the text with white. So we're gonna use the Bootstrap class for that, and where is it? Oh, right here. So text and white, easy and simple. Let's see if it's work. Okay, it's work, but oh, I don't like this. It's not the same. Let's do different way, guys. We're not gonna use this. Let me save. We're just gonna do the simple, guys. And right here. Okay, let's change our drop down menu, text white and bg dark. Okay, so now it's the same color supposed to be. Okay, and let's well, it doesn't work. Let me see. Add text white. Okay, and let's add the bg dark, and let me just add right here. Okay, and right here. Okay, text white, and guys, let's make the links, and when we hover, let's use the let's use my color, my brand color. I think it's this one or this one. Let me see. This one. Let's use 2AA. Okay, so let's go to the app CSS, and we're gonna use the class for it. And drop down menu. Okay, let me see if we're gonna use and drop down menu and hover, and yeah, background. We're gonna use this color, and of course need to override important. Okay, it's safe. Let's see if I'm right. Now guys, it's need to add to the, let me see, to the drop down menu. Let's copy drop down item. My apologies guys. Drop down item right here. Let's paste, let's save, and let's see. Let's reload, and yes, all right. Now let's guys import the logo. I will show you how to import the logo. I'm gonna use my logo. Let me get it. Okay, in folder. I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste right here in the source folder. Does it work? It's not working. Okay, I need to open new file explorer. Okay, I'm gonna copy. Let's open the it's not documents, it's in desktop. Right here in the source folder, we need to paste in here. So I'm gonna paste. All right, I'm gonna rename right away to the edit one logo. Okay, so let me close it up. Okay, and let me check logo right here. I need to go back to the navbar right here, and let me import the logo. So import, I can name it whatever I like. You can name it whatever you like, guys. It's gonna be your choice. So from, and it's 2 levels up, I guess. Yes, and AD20 logo.png. All right, and instead of navbar text, I'm gonna add the image component, and in the source on the curly braces, I'm gonna add this component name. Okay, that's gonna be our path. Okay, it's custom. You can name whatever you like, logo, and right here we can add logo. If the image not gonna show up, gonna be this text. All right, let me save. Let's see. And where is it? Logo.png. Cannot find module. Why? 2 levels up. Why is that? Because I put okay. Yes, it's in a source folder. Logo, edit one logo. Everything right. Why is that? What's wrong? Let me see. Okay, 2 levels up. It's right here supposed to be. So the name AD20 logo.png supposed to work, and import from. Okay, should be work. Alright guys, I see something crash in our app. Let me see, guys. Let's do this way. npm install. If you gonna face this problem, I think this is a problem it's gonna fix. Let me see. All right, let's restart. I close the server. npm start. Let's start again. Alright guys, you see sometimes happen this weird errors. So if you're gonna meet this kind of error, if not gonna work, I'm gonna tell you this error, something can't find the index.js, the main start main. So you just need the guys to do same thing what I done. Okay, reinstall npm install. If it's not gonna help, the last thing I think, just delete the node modules completely, the folder with package log.json, and reinstall again npm install. Okay, and install again the dependencies. Okay, because sometimes it's crash, I don't know. All right, let's continue. So we have the image, but it's too big. Let's add the custom style right here, style, and let's add the width. I'm gonna add 2.3 RAM. I think that's enough. Okay, reloading. Okay, right here. That's how you add the logo. All right. And what we're gonna do, let's do like when we hover to the links, let's make a color same like this one. All right, so let's go to the app CSS, but first we need to find out what we're gonna style. It's main links. That's mean we need to get nav link class name. Let's do that. Nav link, and we're gonna use the hover, and color gonna be pound 28a, and we're gonna override. Then we need to add the important. Okay, let's see. Supposed to reload. Let's reload, and we can see now the link's changing. What else, guys? Let's style this guy. Okay, let's go and to Navbar, and let's see, this is a button and have the class name btn. As we have the one button, we can use the btn. So let's do right here and btn. Let's add the border color. We're gonna change to the, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, let's use this one, guys. Let me just copy, make a process faster. Okay, right here. And okay, let's save. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Yeah, we can see the border. Change the color, and let's let me copy paste, and I'm gonna add the color same. Yeah, okay, let's change the when we hover the background, and btn, that's gonna use the hover, and let me copy, guys, make it faster. I don't wanna this video be too long. Save. Let's see. Okay, and change the color, of course, and color, let's add triple F, that's mean white. Now, of course, important, guys, if we override if we override the Bootstrap, we need to add the important. Okay, all right, so done. And last feature, guys, last feature, I want to show you how to stick this navigation bar to the top. Okay, when you're scrolling, it's always on the top. Let's go to the app.js, and after navbar, let's add the paragraph. Let's add the lorem. Let's multiply to 4. Tab, and let's add, just copy paste like 10 of them or 7, whatever, make a little bit bigger, you know. Okay, now you can see it's scrolling, but we wanna place in the top, keep on the top, always on the top. So let's go to the navigation bar, and it's easy. We're gonna use the Bootstrap class, which position, if I'm right, position, fixed. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we can see it's stuck, and let's make a white 100%. We're gonna use Bootstrap W and dash and 100. That's gonna make. Okay, all right, good. Let's check on the mobile. Let's open mobile. Okay. Oh, we can style this guy too. Okay, let's open the pixel too. You see the outline? I don't like this outline, and I wanna do, let me see, who's this guy? Navbar toggler. Okay, let's get rid of outline. Okay, and we're gonna do right here in app CSS and Navbar toggler. Okay, outline none. Let me see if need the important. Let's see. Yeah, we need to add the important right here. Important. And you can see we'll get rid of the outline. Okay, let's make it this border, same color as this one, and we're gonna use border color. Let's copy this guy and let's add right here. Save. Okay. All right, so I think we're done for this video, guys, and I show you how to use different way the Bootstrap. You just install the packages, no CDNs. Okay. Good. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. That support the channel. If you have the question or comment or suggestions, you can leave in the comments below, guys. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to support the channel and not to miss any new projects. All right, we're gonna build the good projects, nice projects where you're gonna learn a lot. Okay, and of course you can support the channel on a Patreon. You're welcome, become the Patreon. There I'm gonna upload the different tutorials, more tutorials which I not upload to the YouTube channel. All right, it's like a bonus for my followers, supporters, for my patrons. All right, guys, so see you in the next videos. Bye.